Ladies, when your husband says, let's go off-roading, you should always be down. And also down to film it when you get stuck. Are you serious?
I mean, dead serious. I can't get out.
We need a tow truck?
Dead serious.
Shoot. Alright.
Yeah, I can't get her out here. Let me do this. Like, I'm getting bogged down too.
It is very muddy.
It's soft over here. I didn't
Soft.
come up to see. You know, I don't want to re-record right now.
Come on, Jesus. If you get up, turn that way. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh my gosh. We are stuck. Ladies, when your husband says, let's go off-roading, you should always be down. And also down to film it when you get stuck. He's gonna get it out though. I know he is, I believe in him. But look at this. Get it, baby! Goodness, guys, I have mud all over me. Fire back up. There's mud everywhere. He got it out though. There you go. There you go, baby. Oh my gosh, he's amazing. He is amazing.
Boy, I didn't think I was get out of there. I was stuck. I was stuck.
Look at this.
I told wifey to call the tow truck. I ain't getting out of this one. We got out though. HE4X for the win. I was deep. Oh God. I was deep stuck over there, guys. Oh my gosh. Let's go home before we get stuck again.
Okay.
I had to sacrifice the horse to keep my leg.
That's all right.
Oh man. Look at my shoes.
I got mud all over because of the truck.
I know, sorry.
It's all right. I thought you were gonna go to the right, but I was like, you gotta go where you can.
Yeah, honestly, 4 low and that locker did it. And see, that's what I don't understand. All you need is 2 lockers. I got stuck because one side's spinning and the other side's not. Just give us 2 lockers. 3500 AT4X, 2 lockers, front and rear, 100%. This truck would have gotten out a lot easier. It's so soft. We gotta go check out this.
Yeah.
Check it out. You can't even tell right now, but I literally, my front bumper was pretty much buried in the mud right there. And you can see the water going in there, like straight up, guys. Those tires did kind of give up a little bit, but when you put it in for low with that locker, game over.
All right, heading back.
I would turn the windshield wipers on. It won't do anything because it's already so hard now. Ooh. Yeah, this is BLM that you don't come to in the early spring or, of course, in the winter time. It's way too hard to get back here because you could slide into a tree trying to tow your trailer.
Yeah.
It's just that slippery and that unpredictable. Holy smokes. Yeah, I'm not coming back here again.
Are you good with off-roading?
I'm good for the rest of my life. That ain't for me. Getting stuck is no joke. That fear of having to wait for a tow truck to come out here for 2 hours, and I don't know if they could get out here. Like, someone would have to come out here with a 4x4, or just have to give me some stuff to get unstuck. But yeah, I'm good for the day. I am good.
Oh! You closed the tailgate, right?
I did. Oh my gosh! Yeah. This is no joke. And I feel bad, like if someone comes out here with a trailer,
you can't, this is more like an ATV.
Yeah.
Like literally
Side
an
by
off-road,
side.
yeah.
Yep.
Not land for a camper.
Nope.
Which is why we're all the way up at the front.
Yeah. Yeah, this is no joke. Yep, I got my fix for today. What was supposed to be a quick photo shoot and get some video footage for the truck, it was already dirty. If you didn't watch the last video, I did. We got stuck with our RV, right? And I had to back down this road until I could find a place to like turn in and make a U-turn, and then we came here. But out here, this is Dave's BLM. I don't know, my wife, she has all the information, but this is not a good spot to come early spring because it's still really muddy and the ground is really, really soft, as you guys just saw. But you guys can see, I am gonna have the time of my life cleaning this truck. Like, this might have to get washed like 6 times. Like, I'm not even joking. Let's see. If I step up here. Oh my gosh. Wow. Even on the roof, you can see this is mud everywhere. But I love my AT4X. Now, if you guys don't know, this is the Duramax. I don't know if you guys noticed when my wife was filming earlier. I had to brake boost the truck because, you know, these trucks have no guts. So I had to hold the brake down, hit the gas, and then that helped. That 4 low helped, and the locker out back helped. Now, I had it in 4 low, and for some weird reason, it jumped back into automatic mode, and then the locker turned off because I know at certain speeds you can't have the locker on. I think it's like 25 miles an hour, maybe 30. But yeah, it all worked out. I told my wife, go ahead and call the tow truck. We ain't getting out of this. And we did. I am so happy. You guys can probably see down here too, some of the skid plates. Wow. She is nasty. But hope you guys liked the video. Again, I was just gonna get a few shots splashing through some mud, and that was it. And I got more than I bargained for. But my little one over here, are you ready for a campfire? Yeah. Alrighty, let me go ahead and get some stuff ready. And be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Can't promise I'm gonna ever do that again, but it definitely was fun.